Hello all, this is Gray from Gray Logic Coding, and today we are going to go over how to install a text editor. Text editor is generally used for web development, so this would include HTML and CSS, which is what all these videos are about to be about. So if you want to follow along, you might have an awesome web page by the end of this video series. Alright, I'm getting a little carried away, but you get the idea. If you want to be a web developer, you want to make a web page, you want to make one for a friend, family, business, start your own business, your own online community, whatever you want to do, you're going to have to learn HTML and CSS. So if you don't know HTML and CSS and you're just kind of like, oh my god, what's HTML and CSS? I have no idea. That's okay, and let me show you. I'll show you exactly what it is. So let's go ahead and open Google Chrome. Google Chrome is an excellent HTML reader. It's a good browser, and you're gonna wanna probably get get Google Chrome because it's one of the best browsers you can have, especially for coding, and which we'll get into later. But all right, let's go to. I don't want to go to Facebook. Yeah, let's go to. No, that website's broken too. Google.com. I'm gonna go to a little favorite of mine, Bucky's Room. Alright, so we're here. Right click, view page source. See this page source? Awesome, right? It looks amazing. Probably the best game. This is better than Destiny, which is a game that just came out. Not really, but this one could get you money. Anyways, get the idea. So you have image tags, div tags, head tags, body tags, all the basics, and all this looks, I'm sure it looks a little overwhelming, but don't get too overwhelmed. We're gonna be going through this step by step, so it's not like, hey guys, just so you know, next week you're gonna have to make me a full-fledged website. No, just follow the tutorials, and by the end of it, you'll have a nice working website. Something that you could use and build on, hopefully, and learn something from. So don't get too overwhelmed. That is so that's what HTML looks like. As far as the text editor, there's a couple things you can do. There is actually a text editor built into Windows, and that is called Notepad. Holy crap, who would have thought you would actually use this program? Anyways, let's go ahead and type something in here. I'm gonna go ahead and type some basic tags that you'll find in every HTML page. So you see those, right? Let's go ahead and add the head here. Open, close head. Now let's go ahead and add the body. You don't have to follow this with me. This is just so you could view, so you don't have to be pausing this or doing whatever you got to do. Just watch. It's okay. Now let's go ahead and add a title. You don't have to know what any of this does either, which is the beauty. Why? Because I didn't explain any of it. If I didn't explain it, don't worry about it. Alright, so Gray Logic is sweet. Alright, but how pretty does that look? Does it look pretty, or does it look boring? Are you learning anything from this? Probably not. You really shouldn't be, but it's ugly as sin. It's not gonna help you find problems if you have like 4,000 lines of code, so let's go ahead and copy this. I'm gonna copy it anyways, and you could watch. I'm gonna open up my Sublime Text, which is the text editor that I'm going to show you to download. It's the one that I prefer, and the one that I hope you prefer after this is all done. I'm going to copy and paste it right in there. Alright, so we got the HTML tags. You notice a little dotted lines underneath it, but it's showing me open, closer. Now let me click the body. Same thing, open, closer. Title, open, closer. Head, open, closer. If you don't know what that means yet, it's okay. But what I really want you to notice right now is the color of the text. So this is white and very, very viewable. It's not hard for you to see that. That is something, that is a title. You see the title tags around it, you see the head, but these are clearly tags. These aren't content, so this is more so content, which is something that you really want to see. It's important that you see the color coding of your code because it's going to help you find problems in the future. Okay, I'm going to not save that because it's a waste of space. And let's go ahead and download a text editor. So let's go to google.com because Google's the shit, and if you ever want to do anything in life, it's going to involve Googling something. And then let's go and search Sublime Text. Bam. Oh. Wow, that website's beautiful. I so wonder who made this. I wonder what they made it with. Hold on, wait. It was HTML and CSS. I already knew that. All right. Anyways, another example of the color coding. Let's go to downloads. And I'm not going to use Sublime Text 3. You can if you'd like, but I'm not, just because I don't want to come across any problems because it's a beta. So choose your operating system, whatever one you prefer you have. I have Windows 32-bit, unfortunately, because I'm just, I don't know, pretty sad about it. I really want 64-bit, but it's just not going to happen. It's absurd. All right, so if you want to find out what bit your computer is, right-click on Computer, go to Properties, and then look under System Type, 32-bit. That's mine. 4 gigs of RAM, only 3, because things I'm not going to get into this tutorial. I'm upset, but 32-bit. So download 32-bit. Awesome. Wow, look at the speed. It's amazing. I feel like I just screwed that up. Okay, never mind. Run. Hit next. You can keep it. I have it a different directory because I already have it installed. You can keep it default though. Next again. Add to Explorer. Just keep it all default. Let's just keep hitting next and watch it install. Wow. Oh my God. What? Oh, I have Sublime Text open. That won't happen to you. Don't worry. I'm gonna retry. Wow, it moves so fast. It's amazing. All right, so it's done. Now Sublime Text is installed. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up for you so you can get another look at it before I wrap this up. But there you go. Look at all the beautiful colors and the color coding. You could change the colors if you like. Dawn, Eiffel. I personally like a little darker colors just because it's a little easier on the eyes. But whatever you like, whatever you want to use is what you'll use. You also have these options on the sidebar here, which gives you nice directories and keeps everything a little organized for you and easier for you to go through. But yeah, that's pretty much the gist of it. You know, in our next tutorial, we will be going over how to. We'll pretty much be making your first website. So we'll go ahead and follow along, and by the next tutorial, you will begin your first web page. So I hope to see you soon, and I don't know, have a good day, I guess, right?